CAD construction drawings automatically generate plans. Start from scratch. The newly created file has no layers. It will automatically load the preset layers. Use XQ to draw walls. MM draws the plain door. And windows. Use JJJ to lay out the floor plan. Enter K and click Furniture to freeze the furniture layer after drawing the ceiling shaped by yourself. Click 1 to display all BD material marks. Mark the ceiling height and material. The materials of the floors and walls are also marked. QY generates area lines. KG draws switch connection lines. Add switch to grounding plan. Click 1 to show all QD intersection labels. Set parameters such as the interface ratio in PPT. The automatically generated floor plan. Automatic typesetting, furniture blocks, material labeling are all included. The generated floor plan automatically starts to freeze layers, material labeling, generate sockets, and have you learned the complete set of floor plans?